just getting started on the inverter right now.
Yeah, go ahead and let's get all that out of there.
And this is our project foreman. Engineer. Yeah. And I'm the monkey. Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this. So we just finished, as you can see, I got my lights on, I got my computer charging, and there's no generator on. Our neighbor's got a generator on, but we don't have a generator on because we don't need a generator on. It's so awesome. This is the first time in 6 months we've been able to plug things in to our outlets without having a generator or being plugged into shore power. Well, I just got up this morning and check this out. The meter hasn't moved. We're good for, I don't know, probably 2 days with the amount of battery power we have. So super excited. Thank you, Battleborn. We'll do an update here shortly, but it's late. It took us a long time to install it, so we're going to bed. Good night.